stopped to take a leak, right? And it was interesting because I'm just, you know, I got my thing going here, right? No, it's not, you know. So I'm just doing my thing, whatever. And I'm like, oh man, you can see your thing, you know? It's like, and then you look here and you can see, watch yourself pee in the mirror, so you could, that way you don't splash outside the bowl and that. I just thought that was interesting that you had to see that kind. And this one-piece toilet is also, I was in a hotel once that had that. And it's an interesting flush. I'll show you that. Just had to show you this. Just the toilet flush, because I was in a hotel once that had that, and it looks like it's swirling around. Like, okay, it's gonna clog. It's not going down. Fuck. And then this is the one. Oh wait, it did. Oh, thank God. I think it just close that. Get me out of here. I can't anymore. I can't. Didn't really get a shot in here. Probably shouldn't be recording in here because whatever. But he likes to do that. I could see why it's comfortable now. I never understood, but I can definitely understand now. The fireplace kind. Gas. I like that kind. So we're in the basement, so you have like another little silo stairwell kind of thing, but not as big. By the way, I'm stealing the Fallout shelter sign.
I'm sure you could easily find that somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure. So a couple things. First of all, as soon as you come down here, it's like, and then you come down here, okay? So now it's the basement. Now, couple things. Tile floors in a basement are always interesting.
It's actually not tile, but you'll find that out soon.
Maybe like a laminate or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, but even so that, okay. But it kind of has the look of it. Mm-hmm. Secondly, everybody's house smells different. Mm-hmm. I don't know why. This basement smells amazing. I just love it. And then suddenly, here we are in the nice with the skylights and the whole thing, and you can't see to read a fucking book, and then this happens. Hit it. Holy shit! Wow. This is what I'm talking about.
This table used to be up in the kitchen.
That's a nice table. You had that old Mac set up here.
Yes, that's right. I'm glad you remember that.
That's right, absolutely. I like the table. Mm-hmm. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's really cool. So, damn. I mean, just like hot damn. Hot damn indeed. Just saying that these were support poles for the house.
And there's a steel beam inside here and over here, as you can see.
Right.
And there's actually a pole right here. And the reason why my mom and dad put the wall here was because if you just have a pole here, then a space doesn't make sense.
Right, doesn't make sense. That's good. And then 3 AC vents.
And there's 3 more on the other side.
Fuck, it must get freeze. I mean, it feels chilly as it is. Obviously, we're in a basement, but
at night we do drop it down just so it removes the humidity.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's nice, and I like that kind. That's pretty awesome. And we'll get to everything in a second. Bam! Just like that. And you come out a little half wall kind. You come out over here, and we got some artsy stuff over here.
Yeah, here's that exhaust vent I told you about.
Oh yeah. That's right. Yeah, that was on the outside there.
You're not going to hear much, I don't think, but
really?
You will. It's way out of position, but you will feel it though. Yeah, put your hand there. You do feel it.
Oh wow. Oh, I actually do hear it, just barely.
Yeah. This is a crawl space entrance inside here.
Oh, okay. And damn, I mean, just fucking, you know, everything here. This counter space. I could have computers lined up, like if the cabinets were in here, I could have computers just here, fucking, you know, going down.
You could.
It's like fuck, and then the cabinets are just it just runs all the way around here, you know, just like that. So we'll just do that kind, and the vents here. Okay, you got those kind, and then the magic doors that look. It looks like okay, this is the end of the house.
Yes.
And then there's magic doors.
Yeah. There's a wall that goes like this. That's the garage. Because, you know, garages don't have a basement, obviously.
Right.
So, so basically, where we're standing right now, we're under the kitchen right now.
Okay, right.
And right here is like where the refrigerator is.
Okay. I gotcha.
And then, yeah.
That's not a closet. This is a fucking room. Holy shit. Oh man, come on! You gotta. I'll buy them. I'll buy them. You can't. More Apple IIs.
This is the Performa I use.
You can't. Look, the green. I own one. I own one. You know what you can do with that, bro?
What's that?
That is a composite green screen, like black and white TVs.
Oh yeah.
You can hook a composite signal, and it's green and black.
With the Performa, this is the monitor that came with it. But we at some point we got these Panasonic CRTs.
Yeah.
17-inch, I think.
Yeah,
And
those are nice.
back then, these were freaking awesome.
Oh yeah, they're
Yeah.
probably still awesome now. Look at the Max. Look with the dual
disc drives.
The dual drives. Fuck. And the 2E monitor with the
It's not
with the
plugged in,
switch.
obviously.
No, obviously not. And that this will double as a color TV monitor.
I've heard of that. Yeah, I have heard of that.
Composite signal. Oh, and an AMDEC. Mm-hmm. Oh fuck! Look. Yeah.
Mechanical.
Oh, that old school with the volume in that and the contrast. Oh man. Oh man, I'm talking to. This is all your brother's stuff.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, we're definitely gonna have a chat or two. CD caddies he has, people.
Yeah.
CD caddies.
And here's the Quadra that uses the caddies.
Yeah, yeah, man. Oh fuck, I thought I had a museum. Damn. It'll ever work again, but it's
It probably runs, but it probably doesn't print anymore.
Well, let's let me just look at it quick a second.
Sure, yeah. Let me get it your way.
Yeah, this is a an original stylus color. Wow. Yeah, you'll never get it to go, but it would make some awesome sounds.
It does. It really does.
It would, definitely. Vacuum kind. Oh, wait, we got all kinds of... The doorbell transformer.
Is that what that is?
Yeah,
I
right
never
there
knew
with
that.
the 2 wires. Yeah, you'll get about 18 volts AC off of that. If you put if you put your fancy Harbor Freight meter on it.
Oh, as I say, a long time ago there used to be a window here, but my parents took it out because it was leaking.
Okay, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's all for the vacuum. And then what's this whole junk?
That's for the internet, I think? I'm not sure.
I don't know. Maybe it seems to have a... No, that's not... I don't know what it is. Okay, we don't know. It's a mysterious white box.
Right.
Okay, that's good. And the outlet is interesting that it has 3 outlets.
Yeah.
Maybe it had... I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Interesting.
I don't know.
All right, whatever. And the breaker panel is probably...
This was added on when we had the pool built.
Oh, big part. This is
okay.
sub panel.
And then this is the main panel right here.
Yeah, oh, this is an old school one. Mm-hmm. Yeah, with the half breakers, the half as they call them, or something like that.
These are for the air conditioners because these are 240 volts, so I think these are for the air conditioners.
Yeah, and then there's 2 other 240s here.
Mm-hmm. That could be for the air handlers. I think those are 240.
Yeah, in fact, some things are marked in that, but whatever. See, all the wirings, people. All the wirings. What's the kitten doing down here? The kitten can't be down here. Oh no! And it has to travel 46 miles to get back upstairs. 46 miles to get upstairs. And the puzzle that's half finished, I see. Yeah, so that's good.
So and then over here we got what do you call it? We got.
I love the fridge here. That's just like it's supposed to be there.
This is just the main water shut off.
Okay.
There's the main water valve right there, and this is the sprinkler line.
All right.
This valve doesn't work that well anymore, so he just left it open and
yeah, right.
It's a ball valve, so it's a lot easier.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, this is awesome.
We almost never use that anymore.
Yeah, I'll bet. That I wonder how long that takes to boot up.
It has a warm-up time, but they always ignored it after a while. So.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see that kind up there. Whatever it says, I can't read it from here. TV lens, something or other. I don't know, but whatever. Yeah, that's kind of cool. And is this a pachinko? It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll bring them upstairs. Hang on.
Oh man, I think it's called pachinko or something.
Pachinko, that's right.
Yeah. Oh wow. We'll have to play with this sometime. Look at that, people. Friggin' right. And the round key and that. And look at all the fucking bells, whistles, and gongs on the back of this. Damn. This is a newer one. Look at the potentiometers. You can change stuff.
2000, I think.
Very nice. Getting over into the quarters here. Oh, the basement bathroom.
Yes.
The basement bathroom.
And you can actually tell this bathroom is newer because it has a separate light and fan switch.
Oh, big part. So the separate light and fan switch and the separate basement bathroom.
And originally this was a 1.6 gallon per flush toilet, but we replaced the flapper on it, and now it's just freaking old school.
Yeah, I love that kind.
Shower.
And a shower in the basement, people. In the basement. This is bathroom number 86, if I remember.
86 and a half if you include the foyer.
Yeah, I guess so,
Yeah.
so whatever. Anyway, so, yeah, now we're going to head back over here, kind. And now, what we got?
Sauna.
Oh, fuck, man. So, if you're thinking of buying a house, and this one goes on sale...
Has that cedar smell.
Man. Oh, we're doing this one day. Fucking right. I love that. You didn't tell me you had that.
You close the door. I don't want Marco getting in here.
I don't know if that's closed all the way.
It is. You're
Okay.
fine. You're fine.
So, yeah, I didn't know this was its own little space.
Right here, you can kind of see the imprints. This is where the dehumidifier used to be. And it used to drain into the condensate drain.
And that's
the sewage pump.
Huh. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
This is for the bathroom here, and it goes into like a sump bucket, kind of like I have, but it'll handle shit and all kinds of stuff, and then it pumps up. Somewhere behind this wall is the drain, the main drain for the house, and it runs like eye level over here, kind, and then it goes out to the where it goes, and we'll leave it at that. And then you got all kinds of heating kind of things and stuff, and you hear fans running, and what else we got here?
Oh, the boiler. Remember the boiler?
Oh yeah, the boiler.
24 years old.
Yep. It's a little worse for wear looking.
It's called a slant fin.
Oh yeah, my dad has a slant fin. Very nice boiler there.
I mean, it is dirty, but I mean, it runs fine.
Oh, I'm sure it does. Yeah, I mean, it's a gas boiler. There's nothing to really do. And that's got to be a 60-gallon minimum.
It says right here, let's see.
What is crunchy stuff on the floor?
75 gallon.
75. 75. Yeah, I didn't know they fucking made them that big.
I think it's set, the white is 120, so I think it's set to 140.
So, and a flood sensor meter thing, just in case.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I replaced the batteries like last month, so it's in fine condition.
75 gallons. I mean,
so now think about it. 140 degrees, you know the laundry and the dishes are getting clean with that kind of water.
Yeah, that's hot. And then that's the alarm panel.
That's the alarm panel back there.
Heading over yonder this way. We'll have to take a look in there in a minute, but
this is where I worked on the traffic light. It was on there.
oh, very nice.
Let me close this some more.
Yeah. Pegboard all on the wall kind. Just so this is nice.
It is.
Yeah, this is like what my workbench area in the garage aspires to be.
These are from the
now.
traffic light work I did. See the cut wires?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's all me.
Yeah, and it just stays here.
Oh, in here you can see
And the meter, the old school. Wow, an AW Sperry.
You can see the drain line. See? What's that? Oh, it's hitting that.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, I see
You can
it.
see it's slanted, so.
Yeah.
There's a sump pump.
Sump pump just for like water in the.
Exactly.
That's that's interesting. Is that battery backed up?
No, it's not.
Uh-oh.
So.
But they don't flood on the North Shore, so I beg my pardon. But anyway, yeah. So that's yeah, really something. Definitely nice. Huh. Cool. Is that a grinder?
Grinder. That's a
reciprocating saw
Yeah.
of some kind. Oh, the old blue drill.
Yes.
I don't know what kind it is, but it's the old blue drill.
And it's AC powered. No batteries.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Definitely. And a Black & Decker jigsaw.
Yep. Check this out. An old water pump. It's not submersible, but you can see. I don't want to pull the wires. You know, it's hose to hose. We use this.
Oh, yeah.
We use this pump when. Oh, Teal. They're a good brand. We use
never
this.
heard of it.
We used this
never heard
pump
of it.
when the sunroom was being built, and you know whenever it would rain, there'd be a lot of water collecting around it.
Yeah.
So we would hook up this pump, and we would put one hose in the water, the other hose in where our drywall is now, and just pump it out.
Huh.
And this thing is quality right here, man.
I'll bet. Yeah, that
I mean,
looks old school.
Look at
too.
this. There's a little bit of rust, but like so little rust.
Yeah, oh,
And
definitely.
What is this, aluminum? Or is this?
I don't know.
Is it chrome finished brass or something? I'm not
I
sure.
do not know. the magic hallway with lights. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Here's the window I showed you earlier.
Oh, the egress window, right.
Yeah.
So this is
And
out
just,
where the ACs are.
yeah.
And now wait, another magical switch that doesn't do anything. It's just
No,
here.
this is for the motion detector outside. We have it shut off because
For the light, motion
outside,
detector light. Okay.
we just got an old step stool here and the vacuum hose. That's it.
But it's a hallway that goes nowhere.
Talk to my parents.
I don't know. I mean, it's cool and interesting, but it's like, fuck, hide and seek. It's like, okay. You know, they're not gonna find me here.
I mean, don't forget.
You know, and then you cower in the corner and shit like that. Fuck, this is like awesome.
Yeah.
It's not a hallway to nowhere. It's a hallway to egress.
Yeah, exactly.
Now it makes sense. It's like, oh no, it's just a window and there's nothing back there. I'm like, what the fuck? That's how you get out. If you had to, kind. Obligatory LIE movie poster. This is where it was recorded, people. And of course, he has the sign. Of course, the whole thing is a lie, but that's, you know.
I see what you did there.
Yeah, great. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to head out to the pool now, kind. And yeah, killer.